In this video, you can see the complete process to generate an optimization report using the Epixlife platform and the S-Drive software. The first step is to create the client file in Epixlife. To do this, log into the professional platform using your email and password. Click the Add New Customer button and select the type of report you want to use. Fill in the form with the required data, paying attention to the external ID code that will be generated automatically. This code is important, as it must be entered later in the software to perform the scan. When all the fields have been completed, click the Add Customer button to save it. If everything is correct, we will see a confirmation page. Here, we can copy the report ID by clicking on the icon. If you go back to the dashboard, you will see that the client is already created, but does not have any results yet. In case the customer already exists, because a report has already been made before, we will add the new ID from its customer profile. We look for the client in the dashboard, click on its name, and select New Test, choosing the desired report type. Now that the client is created and we have your report ID code, let's process your sample in the S-Drive software. To do this, open the program on your computer and make sure the device is connected. Click the New button at the top left of the screen and accept the privacy notices. Enter the code we obtained from Epixlife in the External IDE field, making sure it exactly matches the one on the platform. You do not need to fill in the other fields, only the external ID is required. When the sample is correctly placed in the center of the coil and the lid is positioned in place, click the Scan button to start the process. Once it is completed, you must make sure to send the scan, otherwise the server will not receive the scan information. To do this, click the Send Now button, selecting the desired report type and language. If the process was successful, the message Completed will appear on the right side of the screen. If for any reason you are unable to submit the report at this time, be sure to save it for later submission by clicking on the Save button. Now, we will wait about 15 minutes for the server to process and return the report. We access the Epixlife platform again to check if the result is already available. In this case, the Date column will show the day the report has been processed. To access the results, click on the client's name to access their profile. From this page, we have access to several options. We can view the results interactively on the platform itself, download the report in PDF format, or send the results by email directly to the client. These are the steps necessary to obtain the report. Remember, you can contact us at any time. We will be happy to help you.